Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find posts from specific date on Facebook. Right, if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And I'm going to show you two methods right here. The first method will be filtering, and the second method is by using the search bar. So by filtering, this is the fastest way to find your post. All right, so basically go to your profile, again, your profile right here, and then go and scroll down, find your post right here. And then you can basically tap on filters right here under all posts. You can filter this out by date. All right, say for example, you have posted something on the 25th or maybe today. Click on OK. Privacy, all post, or maybe from public post, friends only, only me, or all post. All right, click on done, and then it will be filtered. Okay, so another option may be 2025. I think I've posted something on 2025, July 25. Okay, done. As you can see, it's been filtered out and there's no post in that specific date. All right, so the second option is by, first up, maybe clear the filter. Clear it first, click on done. All right, so the second option is by going to the search bar right here, and then just basically find or type down the keyword related to the post, and then just hit on enter. So for example, you've posted something like hi, just like so, hit on enter or find, and you'll be able to see all the groups, pages, and posts right here. And then the date it was posted. All right. You could also filter it out right here, just like so. Maybe recent post, post you've seen, date posted, post from anyone, or post from you, show results. I'm going to change this one. Maybe I've posted something like hi. All right, filter it out again, post from you. There you go. That's how easy it is to find posts from specific data on Facebook. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.